As China's humanoid robots march into everyday life, they're becoming harder to distinguish from real people. Robotics firms throughout the mainland are rushing their androids to market in every flavor. Museum geniuses, fantasy elves, sales reps, social media stars, and they're equipped with tech that can detect emotion before it's expressed facially, giving them an uncanny sense of anticipation. They're gaining mobility in their legs, realism in their skin, and fluency in their interactions. Startups and established players are churning the fake humans out with backing from the Chinese government, which is determined to lead the emerging humanoid robotics market. The People's Republic is on track to easily exceed its goal of shipping more than 10,000 humanoids by year's end. After decades of research and development, China's new breed of synthetic humans is finally exiting labs and expo halls. As their industrial counterparts threaten to disrupt industry, the droids are creeping into daily life in the mainland and beyond. They're even popping up on Etsy. Are the machines finally climbing out of the uncanny valley? And is the world ready to meet them there? The Chinese startup AheadForm is generating buzz with its two latest lifelike creations. The startup, launched in 2024 by Columbia PhD Yunmu, just unveiled a full-bodied addition to its Real Elf series of humanoids. During his time at Columbia's Creative Machines lab, the founder developed a robotic head named AiMOGA under the mentorship of Professor Hod Lipson. The robot, which was featured in the Bloomberg Special Posthuman with Emily Chang, went viral for its ability to predict emotions and mirror human facial expressions in real time. AheadForm's latest lifelike elf is named Shan, a name that translates to beautiful jade and symbolizes purity, nobility, and timelessness. According to the startup, the bionic figure has a static sculpted body and a head loaded with an advanced interactive system that powers uncanny facial expressions and lifelike gaze behaviors. The startup says it's intended to grab attention and spark emotional responses in public spaces. The android appears to be an upgraded version of its fantasy elf head, first introduced in 2024, that features 30 artificial muscles for smooth, lifelike mannerisms. The startup also just introduced the Origin M1, a compact head-only module for research and display purposes. It features up to 25 micromotors for facial actuation, RGB cameras embedded in its pupils for visual perception, and built-in microphones and speakers for real-time audio interaction. AheadForm recently secured an undisclosed round of investment led by Shanghai Capital with participation from China Merchants Venture, Shenzhen Capital Group, and AgiBot, a Shanghai-based firm that's already mass-producing humanoids. Another Chinese robotics firm that's begun churning out humanoids, Beijing-based Noetix Robotics, offers a hyper-realistic robotic head platform that replicates detailed human facial expressions, including subtle eyebrow twitches and mouth movements. Powered by dual GPUs, with onboard AI processing, the Hobbs platform can interact with people without constant cloud connectivity. It uses advanced sensors for speech recognition and emotion detection. The robot's outer skin is made from flexible synthetic material that can be styled in different tones and textures. At the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing, a robot head apparently designed to resemble the popular Chinese influencer Daluation was seen in viral footage from the Noetix booth. She was part of a popular exhibit at the 2024 conference, cosplaying as an android alongside actual robots for the Dalian company EX Robot. The display sparked discussions about the marketing strategy. Critics called it misleading, while others argued it was obviously just for entertainment. A year later, EX is among the more than 40 Chinese brands selling its machines at the world's first full-service store dedicated entirely to humanoid and intelligent robots. In footage from the four-story, government-run robot mall's grand opening in Beijing, EX replicas of Albert Einstein and 8th century Tang Dynasty poet Li Bai were among the items on display. The humanoids are from the company's line of museum-grade robots that cost more than $200,000 apiece and take 2 to 4 weeks to build. EX Robot also offers half-body humanoids for applications like greeting guests and customer service that start around $110,000.
为什么把我的电啊？ 我手机快没电了，我充会电呗。
我也快没电了，这个是我用的电源。
哎呀，我一会儿会还你的。
Led by Waseda University PhD Li Boying, EX Robot has been developing synthetic human prototypes since around 2016. The startup says its lifelike creations are used in science and tech museums across the mainland. It opened its own flagship robot museum, the EX Future Science and Technology Museum, in Dalian in 2021. EX has evolved from making individual prototypes to small batch production after opening up a dedicated manufacturing facility in 2024. Another ultra-realistic humanoid seen during the Beijing robot store opening, Una from Shenzhen-based UBTECH Robotics, is priced around $68,000. According to UBTECH, the Fembot is designed to bring a warm and social but automated presence to places like hotels, hospitals, and retail stores. As robots designed to look human become smarter, they're also becoming better at getting around. Chery Automobile, China's largest exporter of passenger vehicles, is aggressively deploying the androids it's developing with AiMOGA Robotics into the real world globally. The robot, named Mornine, has reportedly been deployed for sales support at Chery dealerships across China and Malaysia, and more recently, the Wuhu Museum, where it serves as a tour guide. They've integrated the robot with deep-seek artificial intelligence. Standing about 166 centimeters, or 5 feet 5 inches, the female-presenting robot is equipped with LiDAR, depth and wide-angle cameras, and onboard NVIDIA processors. Its bipedal locomotion isn't as smooth as Chinese humanoids from firms like Unity Robotics and Engine AI, but it's improving thanks to its reinforcement learning-based training. Mornine's developers recently touted its demonstrated ability to open a real car door at a Chery dealership using only its onboard sensors and control system. Beyond customer service, the robot has been pitched for roles like tax accountant and live streamer. According to Chinese state media, Chery has delivered around 220 Mornine units for dealerships already. Chery and AiMOGA haven't publicly revealed pricing, but reports indicate it's around $60,000 per unit. In Shenzhen, the startup Digit is pushing its Cyberpunk-Inspired robot, named Sha Lan, into the service sector. According to Digit, the robot runs speech recognition and language processing with its onboard artificial intelligence so it can hold conversations without needing a cloud link. The AI controls the robot's 29 degrees of facial freedom and tone recognition so it can respond appropriately. Digit has not publicly revealed pricing. Meanwhile, Hefei-based AnyWit Robotics is racing to bring China's answer to the world-famous Ameca humanoid robot to the masses. Spun out of the University of Science and Technology of China in December 2023, AnyWit says its mission is to build intelligent machines that enhance human capabilities. The startup introduced its flagship android head, Annie, which boasts a reported 34 degrees of freedom earlier in 2025. This footage of Annie's head integrated with what looks like a Unitree G1 humanoid with dexterous hands recently captured attention on social media. According to AnyWit, Annie can track gazes, recognize user identities, and generate emotional responses to human behaviors. The startup hasn't yet publicly revealed pricing. The business case for synthetic humans is strong enough that industrial automation firms like Suzhou-based Yunmu Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Company are entering the fray. Launched in 2021, Yunmu's initial focus was control systems, motion platforms, and key actuators for automated factories. The company, which has about 50 employees, started developing general-purpose humanoids in 2023 and made a splash at the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing with its lifelike android. Yunmu has gone viral on Chinese social media with hyper-realistic replicas of cultural icons like Confucius and the poet Li Bai. Its fake humans have a reported 26 degrees of freedom, powering expressive facial movements and batteries that last about 3.5 hours per charge. Listings on JD.com one of China's largest online retailers, indicate their price between $28,000 and $42,000. In Shanghai, DroidUp Robotics has been generating buzz with its range of industrial and ultra-realistic humanoids. During the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, DroidUp's new android, named the Shweba One, officially entered a doctorate program at the Shanghai Theater Academy as part of a publicity stunt. The startup, launched in 2023, says the new android blends the lifelike qualities of its AI-powered robotic bus and its general-purpose humanoids. The robotics firm's synthetic humans feature lifelike silicone skin and rich expression simulation capabilities. According to the South China Morning Post, the student robot is pursuing a 4-year degree focused on traditional Chinese opera. Its name is popular Chinese slang for straight A student. DroidUp developed the humanoid in collaboration with the University of Shanghai for Science and Technology. As part of an experiment, the AI robot will study emotional expression, storytelling, and human-machine dynamics alongside real students. Also during the Shanghai AI conference, DroidUp launched its lightweight Walker 2 bipedal humanoid robot. The Walker 2, standing 170 centimeters tall and weighing just 30 kilos, is reportedly being tested for scenarios like public security patrols and factory worker training. DroidUp hasn't publicly revealed pricing. Another Shanghai firm, AgiBot, has rapidly risen to the upper echelon of China's robotics scene. Its robots and pricing could seriously disrupt the race towards synthetic humans, giving perceived leaders from Unitree to Tesla a run for their money. For more on the rise of AgiBot, check the related video.